Hello everyone, welcome back to AWS DevOps Locust Tech YouTube channel, and also welcome back to job seekers and developers, those who are looking to learn about Python. Here I make learning simple and easy to understand by using real world examples and straightforward explanations. Actually, my goal is to break down complex topics into simplified concepts. So, ensuring that even beginners can grasp them very effortlessly. So, when learning a new language, we first start with the letters before forming words and sentences, right? Similarly, in Python also, I focus on fundamentals first, starting with basics like strings, okay, integers, floats, booleans, and formatting, okay, and uh, scopes, okay. So all these areas and also scope related entire things. So we have seen already. So before moving into advanced topics, my aim is to teach Python from A to Z, structured manner, okay, and beginner friendly way, okay. That's what. So I do keep learning and let's master Python together. So today's topic is data types. Okay. So we'll see what is data types, what type of methods are there in this, what kind of functions we are using. So let's dive into this topic. Let's do one by one using visual code. Okay. So these are topics you see on the screen. So we are going to discuss about integer, a float, boolean, string, tuple, okay, and list, set, dictionary. I just want to make it a break. Okay, I want to make it a break because if I explain everything in a one single video, so then it will take more time, so you can't keep more attention on one video. I just want to make it like 25 or 30 minutes one video, and remaining video I'll cover. I want to make it a two parts, okay, so then it is easy to understand, because no, as a human being we should not keep attention and more than 35 or 40 minutes. That's why, so it should be in a learning way. That's why I just want to make it two parts. Let's cover half of the part in one video and other half part in other video. Okay, let's try. Okay, and so I just want to go for VS Code. Inside of VS Code, let me open this. So now what I will do is I will try to create a new file. Okay, this is new topic. That's the reason I'm going to take a new file. So and I just want to keep a name data underscore type. Okay, data types. I will keep yes also. Dot p y you one whenever you see dot extension, automatically the symbol will also be changed as according to that particular language or script, whatever. You see this? This is how. Enter. Okay, this is new file, complete new file. I want to write everything related here, data types. If I want to go that area, example this, whatever G Python session, I can able to save this file. If I want to go back and if I want to refer it, I can able to do this, right? That's how. So let's, our topic is data. I'll do this. I'll do one thing. I'll start with the string first, okay, because that is not included any numerical things. So just it is related to directly on the words. So that's the reason I just will take a string data type. Okay, string data type. So according to this only, I'll make it. Okay, okay. Okay. Yep. This alignment is changing. It's okay. I can do this because everything has been done by me. I know how to do. X. I just want to use this. First, I'll mention here a string data type. Okay. Okay. Keep maintain some patience, please. This table is not accepting extra line. That's fine. Okay. Let me try to do this. Okay. Okay. I will do it again. Split the cells. Select a table. Insert a table. Okay. Let me try here. Okay. I will insert here. Above or below? I'll try to do above. Okay. So the string, whatever the string is there, this string I want to cut it and I want to paste here. Okay. Okay. So then this seems looks good, right? Okay, fine. So we are going to see a lot of string related. So initially we'll see about string. So after that integer. Okay, that's fine. I think I have to remove unnecessary space. Okay. Let me make it clear alignment. Okay. So better I need to follow this. Okay, fine. And I just want to select insert below. Okay, the values I just want to here keep control X V X equal to 10. Might be small, that's fine. So I will let you know what is exactly. Okay, delete, delete, remove, how, where. Okay, let me try to delete this cells. Delete. Yes, Ammo. No, no, no. I think I did mistake. Delete cells, columns. Still, what happened? That's fine. Rows. Yeah, got it. Right. I just want to keep it in here. Let's set this properly. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I just want to save this. Let's talk about string in the sense, what is string? Let's see. Okay, what is string in the sense? Example, here if you see the string name is actually variable. In this name variable location you are storing the value. So what is it? Is in the form of, it is a word. Okay, it's word, it's a name. Okay, it's not involved, it's not containing with any kind of numerical values. So it's simply text. So that simply text you are storing in a name variable, right? So this is actually a string. What is mutable and what is immutable? Okay, yeah, see this. Mutable in the sense objects whose values can be changed after creation. Once after creating it, you can able to change. So that is mutable, which means mute, mutable. Okay. So objects can able to change after creation of anything, list or set or dictionary, whatever the type of objects. If you after creating the type of object, this might be changed anytime. That is called as mutable. What is immutable? Which cannot be changed. So into, float to, string, tuple. Okay, these comes under immutable. Mutable in the sense it can be changed. The value can be changed anytime after creation of the data type. Okay, using this examples, list is a kind of mutable object, set is mutable object, dictionary is a mutable object. And immutable objects are cannot be changed once after a creation, which is int, float, string, tuple. So these are all not, these are all will not be changed. We'll see one by one. So let's go to the table. Okay, so it is immutable. You can understand by using this table easily. That's the reason I just make it a proper table for you. Okay, that's it. Let's move into topic. Okay, string data type. Okay, let's do. In the string data types, so we are going to discuss about literal assignment, right? Okay, so first I just want to take a example. With the example only, it is easy for you to understand. Okay, I just want to take a variable called first, first. This is first, right? What is the first? My name. I just want to take my name, Lokesh. My last name, last, equal to, again this is a string, so you need to keep in quotes, right? So I just want to print this. Okay, I just want to print this. Print type. So type of, I just want to check whether which kind of type it is, what kind of data type it is. That's why I just mentioned some type. Okay, this type is a method. Okay, it is a kind of method. So by using this type method, you can able to know that whether it is string or variable. Okay, I just want to keep in type. What is that? First. Yeah, you can see, right? You are going to print a value, which is, what is the value? First related value, which is Lokesh. What kind of type? So you are going to know about the type of variable which is storing in this first. That's what, right? Next, I just want to print. Okay, I just want to print type of the variable of last. See, is it? That's fine. And next, I just want to print. Okay, type. Okay, first equal to, double equal to, in the sense double equal should be there. Okay, string. Okay, so let's see this, how, what kind of method it is. Okay, right? So and also I just want to see the instances. These we can call it, this is first instance, this is second instance, you can call it as an instance. Okay, so now I'm telling you here, guys, shift to alt plus, whenever you mention shift to alt plus, shift to alt plus, sorry, sorry, shift to alt and down arrow. So whenever you mention this, I'm just keeping here in comments shift plus plus alt plus down arrow, sorry, down arrow. Okay, so if you use this, so whatever it is there, that as it is, it will be copied and it will be pasted automatically just using the keywords. No need to copy entire, you no need to select all these things, no need to select entire this statement, no need to copy and no need to paste. This it is very simple shortcut. Shift to alt to simple down arrow like this. So I'm trying to copy like this, right? So the way like that I just use shortcuts. Okay, now I just want to edit this. What I would like to mention here, print. Print is instance. Okay, is instance first comma string, right? I just, okay, I mentioned here. Here for you guys, we need to actually, world is moving with this AI, artificial intelligence. So we have to utilize this artificial intelligence. By using this, we should learn along with this. Parallelly, we can also utilize this AI. So and also I just want to mention what is this. Okay, see here, print is instance first comma string. It is giving good explanation. So better, this is a right platform to learn properly. So you can learn a lot of things here. See, is instance object. Is instance, this is actually object. First is actually object, right? And it is string. It's a kind of type of data. Okay, is built in a Python function that checks whether the given object, first is this case, is an instance of a specified class, which is string. Okay, it returns to the true if first is string, else it will be false. First is not a string. Let's try to utilize this. Try to run this first. Okay, let's see the output, then you can understand clearly. Okay, you see this type, first one is actually I have given as a lokesh, which is a string, and last also Kumar, which is a string, which is name, this is a name, right? And I printed this print, first one is a string, which is first, the last one is a string, correct? And the other one is this one, print to type, first one is actually string, correct? You are mentioning that it is string. Okay, and also, and this one, we are trying to get to know that whether this first one is string or not. So we are trying to, we are asking to the Python, so whether this is really string or not. Whatever the first variable is there, is this variable, yeah, it is a variable. The first variable is there, you can call object also. Okay, this is really string or not, we are trying to get to know using this is instance. If it is true, it will give true, otherwise no. I want to keep here int. Okay, now you will get false. Okay, let me try to run this. You got this? Because this first, whatever the object is there, this first something it is there which is lokesh. So that's why it is actually string. That is the reason it is not int. It is telling that, oh, it is not string. Sorry, it is not int. Okay, let me try to keep a value called 10. I'll try to keep one value 10. See here, the value is 10. That is the reason I should remove quotations, right? Save. And I'll try to run this. You will get true. See this? You got true because is instance. We are asking is this object is int. We are asking to the Python is this instance, is this whatever the object is there that we can call instance, is this instance whatever it is the name first, is it int? Yes, it's telling int because I changed it as 10, right? If I want to keep this as a location, if I want again this I want to mention here, yeah, I can keep string, right? So then you will get what you will get. I'm sorry, something missed. I think unnecessary spaces are not allowed. Go back. Okay, again I'm telling. See, what is this? Just try to read 11, 11. Okay, that's fine. I just need to mention a space in between this. Okay, okay, yes, okay, that's fine. And I just want to cross check print is instance first comma string. Okay, let's try again. What is this? The line number 11 print is instance first string. Okay, something happened here. Okay, let me try to remove this again. I did not save this. Okay, print is instance. Okay, what I want to check, the first one first. Okay, comma str string. Is the string or not? I want to check it. I'm sorry. This is actually not properly. So again here, yeah, this is okay. Properly we need to maintain brackets. Okay. So here again I'll try to use in is instance. Whatever you are trying to check this object, you can call it as an instance. Is instance first 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 comma string str string. Okay, let me close all these things. Close and close. Okay, now it is clear, I think so. Let me try to run this. Yeah, you got it. Because this is string. Yeah, Lokesh is a string. I hope I am taking too much time, but I'll close this. Okay, got it. I hope you got it, right? So using instance function, so we will verify the type. Okay, okay, we also used this as to verify the type. Also we used this for verify the type. Got it, right? For example, I will remove this first. Let me try this and run this. Okay. Or I'll copy this. Oh no, no, I will keep a comment here. Let me run this. Okay, fine. It's fine. All right. Okay. Well, this. Okay. Let's come. Yeah, let's go to. Let's. We have to move. Next one is. This is all about string. Okay. Next, what we have to do is. Yeah. Let's try to. Next topic would be constructor function. Constructor function. Okay, let's see what are the constructions. Okay, how to construct the functions and all. Okay, so I just need to copy. So to save my time, let me take this, copy and paste here. Okay, I just would like to comment this. I will keep in comment. Control, I'm just pressing control slash. Okay, at a time you can able to copy, sorry, comment. Next one is constructor a function. Okay, so I will use this. Okay, I'll keep like this. Okay, and so for example, I hope you guys will like more pictures and all. So let's take general example. So I'm just want to mention here in variable name is pizza. Okay, why I'm not able to edit this? Hmm. Let's take. Okay, fine. And I just want to check appearance. Right. See this? The output you can able to see your right side. It is easy, right, guys? So better we should follow this. Okay. Let me try to make it some big, little bigger. Okay, this is good. I think so. Right. I just want to here mention the variable name is pizza. Right. Equal to um. Okay, some string. Okay, pepper. What is this? Why it is getting like this? I'm not able to. Let me try to run using Python file. Okay, string. What is this? Pepper. I will use pepper in this pepper, and I'll close this. Enter. Okay, and you can also write like this strings. Okay, you can also mention using string here, and also you can mention in the brackets. Okay, you can write constructive way. And next I want to print what type of it is. I just want to type. Okay, print what kind of type it is. Typ type. What is the object name? Pizza. Pizza. Right, I just want to close. Enter. Okay, next again I want to print type of instance. Okay, what is the type of instance? Is instance. I'm checking it is instance. What kind of instance is it? Pizza. I'm not checking it. Yeah, pizza. I'm checking variable. Is that string or not? Str, and close it. Okay. Try to run here. See this? First one is you printed two times, right? First one is a type. You are checking the type of a variable, which is pizza. Is kind of a string. Class method is a string. And here it is you mentioned you are trying to ask the Python. So is this really whatever it is called as instance in Python? So it will consider it as instance. Is this instance is whatever the variable is there, this instance. This is instance. Okay. This instance is storing in somewhere in pizza variable. This pizza variable is a string or not. You are trying to ask to get to know the output. You doesn't know, you can ask like this. Got it? Yeah, it is telling, yeah, it is true, which means you confirmed that it is string. If you don't know, you can also ask like this. Got it? Okay, fine. Let's try to comment this also. Control backslash again. So next, what we will learn about concatenation. Concatenation. So what is a concatenation? Concatenation means you're combining with two different objects, two different variables, like that. Okay, so concatenation means you are combining, that's it. Okay, so I just want to hear my full name. Okay, equal to first. Better I will use this only. Okay, so I will uncomment it, or I will better use, yeah, I will uncomment it. Okay, first plus. Again, I'm trying to, which plus means adding. You're something you are adding. I just would like to mention here a simple dot. Okay, and close. Again, next. So again, I'm trying to add other object, or okay. So last name. So what is last? Here it is last. LAST. You can see you're getting intelligence. Okay. So and I just would like to print this full name. PRINT print full name. Got it? Close this. Enter. So I just want to run this. Just simply run it. What you got? Lokesh dot Kumar. Got it? And if you remove this, if you remove dot, okay, just keep a space plus last. Okay, now try to run this. You got it right? Lokesh space Kumar. You mentioned space also, which means you are trying to add two different objects, two different variables. Okay, which is called as concatenation. This is concatenation. So we can write concatenation like this. These are all actually very simple basics and terminology. These terminologies you should keep in mind. Okay. Next, let's comment this again. This should not disturb other programs. That's why I'm commenting it. But let's keep this. So if it we can utilize if you want. Okay. Okay. Next. So I'll try to save this and I'll close it again. Okay, let me open VS Code. Maybe it is not supporting properly. Again, I'll open. So what is our program? Yeah, this one only, right? Data types, correct? Now, yeah. See, for example, yeah, the other topic is, next our topic is casting, casting a number to string, a number to string. Okay, save. Next, example, I'll take a decade. Okay, one decade equal to 10 years. Just simply I'm using it as a variable. String str. This is string. And I want to keep something in this 1990. Okay, that's it. You mentioned right. You are passing a value in this decade variable. That's what. And I just would like to print it. Correct. Print what kind of type it is. Print to type. What is this variable? Decade. Right? Decade. Enter. Simple. Again, print. I just want to print. Directly, I just want to print this decade. Sorry. Okay. Let's try to run this. See? Can you? What is the first one? We are trying to get to know that what kind of variable it is. You can also call the object. Okay. What kind of it is? You are trying to get to know that type. What kind of type it is? You got the answer is string, which is class string. And the other one is print. You are trying to print this. What the answer is? Print to decade 1990. But you try to understand this is actually 1990 is a number, a year, correct? But you got a string, correct? Right? You understood this? It's not a number. So whenever you are passing some value in a string, it will also take it as a string. For example, if I try to use this int, save this, try to run this. What is this? Class is int. Okay, it is telling that class is int because type is telling that this is int, which means it is a number. And also without using this, I'll try to directly, I'll give 1990. Save this and try to run this. So you got int again because this always trying to take it as a number. You directly given it as a number. If I want to keep this quotes, okay, save this and try to run this. So what you got? You got string. Something you keep in quotes, maybe if it is single quote or double quote, doesn't matter. If you keep some value in numerical value inside of the quotes, that will be considered as a string. You got it? Yes. Okay. Also you can write this. These are all methods. Okay, string you can mention specifically if you want to mention something in this as a string, you can mention like this. Got it? Directly. That's great. And here important point is concatenate the value inside of the sentence. Okay, I would need to cast the number to string as we previously have. Okay, so now let me create a statement. Okay, I'll try to create a statement equal to what should I keep in this? I mention here I love cricket. I love cricket. So this is one statement I'm passing. Again, I'm trying to add another one. Plus shift to plus. Okay. And decade. So which means I'm mentioning here one decade means directly it will take the value. Which means if for suppose these values keep on changes, sometimes 1992 will be there, 2020 will be there, okay, 2030 will be there, it might be changes, keep on it changes, then automatically this output value will be changed according to this input. So I'll keep here 1990. Okay, I love cricket since, I'll mention here I love cricket since. Okay, this I'm mentioning here, I'm passing the variable. And I'll mention plus um, okay, let's close up. And I'll mention here um, no, keeps dot, I'll mention dot lastly. Okay, okay, let's print this statement. Print statement. Okay, oh sorry, statement, right? And okay, that's fine. And so it's fine, let's check the result. See this, I love cricket since 1990. You got this answer, which means combining two different objects or two different variables, you can call, right? So this is called as, if you are adding something in between this, okay, that is called as concatenation. So you can do lot of concatenations. Use ChatGPT. Better try to get more examples and try to do practice. Okay. So fine. Next. So now I just want to go for other one is lines. Multi lines. Okay. Or you can try to write multiple lines. It is easy to understand, right? Simple English. Okay. Okay, fine. I just want to keep a variable name called multiple equal to, I'm mentioning here three quotes. You see, in between this, okay, How much? Lot of space, I mean lot of tabs, enter. Okay. Hey, hey Lokesh, Lokesh, sorry, I need to mention properly. Lokesh, how are you? How are you? Just I was checking in. Just I was checking in, and I want to mention some space. Keep, and I'll also mention some tabs. Also mention some space. Again tabs. Enter, enter, enter. See this lot of, which means I am keeping in between these three single quotes, mentioning a lot of lines. Okay. So I mentioned a lot of tabs even though. Okay. Like lastly, I just want to mention all good. All good. Okay. This is what I mentioned in between these three quotes. Okay. And this should be in between three quotes only. Let me try to print. Okay. Print multiple. Right. Save this and try to run this. You got this, guys? Check here. There are a lot of spaces are there, lot of lines are there, lot of tabs are there in this between. Okay. So in between quotes, if you use the triple quotes in between, if you want to write, you can write multiple lines. This is all about multi-line. Okay. Next one is escaping, escape, escaping special characters. Okay. So let me try to use. Okay. Sentence, the same sentence. Yeah, I just want to use sentence. Okay. Sentence equal to I am. I just want to mention here I separate. Okay. And m I mentioned here. So is this correct? See, VS Code is showing that something is here. You see this, the line underline between m. Yes, this is wrong. For you just remove this. This is correct. Okay. You should not closed it. You just opened it but not closed it. So again, if you want to mention, you can mention with a different. Okay. And so I mentioned here, so two different. Okay. Try to run this. Oh, sorry, I did not print it. Print sentence. Okay. Save this and run this. Okay. You got it. I am got it. So you can use this, but if you can't use without closing. Okay. So VS Code like don't like, it doesn't allow this. Python don't allow this. Okay. We should follow the rules of the program. Okay. Okay, that's fine. I will mention here I am, and next that's fine. I will also take a next sentence. Yeah, let me use this only. I separate. Okay. M separate, M separate. Okay. Next, I will use BACK, back, exclamatory. So I'm trying to use different characters in this, and backslash slash T means tab. You understood? Okay. Here again, hey, Lokesh, hey Lokesh, and I'll use exclamatory. Okay. After this, I will use slash and n. which means new line. Okay, okay, and again I will try to use again slash and again new line. Okay, where I'll mention something. Where is whatever, don't focus on this, and backslash n and close. One sec. Okay, and this is it slash backslash like this located. So I'm doing mistakes, guys, to understand. Try to understand. Okay, I'm doing mistakes, I know that I'm doing mistakes. Okay, let me try to run this, save this, and let me try to run this. Run. See this? Yes. Okay, let me try to change like this. Again, try to run this. Okay, what is the error? Sentence I am back. What is this? Line number 60. Yes, in there only I did mistakes. Hmm. So try to read this file. Line number 60. Sentence I am back. Okay. Hail, okay, something it is fine. So especially it is indicated especially with the red color here. Back. Okay. So this back, what happened here? Okay, what is the error here? Problems. You see here, you go and here try to read this. Okay, invalid characters. Okay, statement must be separated newer line. Statement must be separated newer lines. Back is not defined. It is not defined, but you separately mention here. Okay, you did not mention any kind of string, or you did not closed with quotes. Correct? That is a reason. So you opened here and closed with this too, but you did not open it. So let me try to open this. Yes. Again, I'll close with the double quotes. Excuse me. Yes. Okay. Let me try to run now. See this? So what mistake I have done this? Okay. Whatever the mistake I have done, that mistake I just mentioned here. Anything urgent? Tell me. Okay. So I'm back. Hey location something, right? So whatever, just try to observe the output. So just here I am back. From I am back you can see here, since here I am back, no space. I mentioned already space, but it hasn't take back. Exclamatory I mentioned, which is in string. You clearly mentioned separate I and I am also, back also. But even if you mention lot of space, even you mention lot of space, although you see I am back, still it is there with the no space. If you want to mention something, a space, you should keep in this mid. You can space 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, save this and run it again, you will get the space. You got it? I am back, the space mentioned, that's fine. And next to tab, you see here one tab got before hey, because this indicates the tab. T means tab. Hey Lokesh. After that slash n. That's why n means new line, with new line, right? Where is, with a new line, where is. Okay, after that again new line. This is it till here. Okay, and you mentioned here two backslashes. Okay, and it has taken single backslash, and after that it is located mentioned. I want to remove this and save this. It will print as usual. Okay, see this, correct? Double backslash. Okay, so this kind of, so these characters, say escaping special characters, these are all escaping special characters. By using this we can use it as a tab. We can use this n as a new line. Okay, so and single quotes is for mentioning the particular string or word. So you can specify, you are here 1 2 3 4 5 spaces it is indicating. You can count it, right? 1 2 3 4 5 spaces. If you want to mention the space, you just use like this. Otherwise, if you want to keep, it doesn't take the space until unless you specify it. Okay, that's good. Next one is string methods. String methods. String methods. What kind of methods are there in the string methods? Okay, let's try to print with the examples only. We are going to try to learn. Okay, first, okay, enter, print, print first dot lower, 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 and you are closing this function or method. Okay, it won't change the first value. Okay, because, okay, I will explain later. First of all, print, take it as first dot upper, 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 close this function. Sorry, next one is print first. Directly I am printing just first value. Okay, so let's try to observe. Control L, just I am clearing this screen. Control L means clearing L screen. Okay, try to run this. Guys, you see this, how many prints we have done? 1 2 3 4. You got 4. 1 2 3 4. The first one is lokesh. First, whatever we have given here, first is lokesh, correct? So using this, first is as usual I printed. The next one is first lower. Everyone actually, earlier in the output, sorry, in the input, the first out value of the first variable is L is capital and remaining are small. Lokesh, L capital is, other one is slow, sorry, as usual, remaining are same, correct? So which means lower case is, has taken, it has taken lower case. If you want to use anything, if you want to convert it as a lower letters, you can use this function or method. Okay, next upper, if you want to convert lower case to upper case, you can use this, right? So the output is lowercase capital, right? So we have converted the first, whatever the variable is there, that variable we are converting as upper cases. That's why we got uppercase output, and the other one is as usual. Okay, these are all comes under methods, string methods. Okay, and I want to um, print. I want to print simply. I just need to what shift alt down arrow. Okay, this is good. And I want to multi-line. line. Maybe that was commented. Where it is? Yeah, multi-line. It is there. Okay, fine. Okay, multi-line dot title. Okay, and close this function. Okay, multi-line is not taking. Why I don't know. Multiple. Okay, this is multiple. It is taken. Okay, that's no problem. So let me change it as a multi-line. Instead of multiple, I'll change it as multi-line. Save multi-line. This is actually multi-line. I did mistake actually. Shortcut. That's okay. Fine. Doesn't matter. See, you got it right. It has taken. Now I want to again. Um. Yeah. Okay. Let's try to control shift to alt down arrow. Okay. Now I want to keep here. Uh, that's fine. I'll keep it as usual. Next, I want to replace something. I mentioned here replace. Replace function is closed. Okay. Good. Replace. I just want to mention here. What is that? Good. Good. And comma. Okay. See this. Somewhere you are trying to do what you are mentioning here. It is a variable. So it is actually indicates that somewhere you are taking reference, which is multi-line. Okay, this is multi-line, and you are replacing something, a word, with the okay. Okay, for example, this is a good is there, right? This would be replaced by okay. Okay, all okay, something like this. Okay, next I want to print multi-line. See here, save this and try to run this. You see here. Yeah, this is actually previous one. This is actually previous one. Okay, and it has been replaced with the okay now, right? And also here title. Hey Lokesh, what is the title? This is the title actually, multi-line title. This is hey Lokesh, how are you? Okay, see here the title is here. Hey Lokesh, how are you? It has printed. It was checking, just checking. It is normal as usual. Okay, remaining all. Only we replaced with this good instead of okay. Multi-line, I just want to remove this. I don't want to confuse you. Delete this, save this, and try to run again. So this is the actual output, and this is previous one. Correct? Earlier it was good, and now it is changed, replaced with the okay. Okay, that is a purpose. If something you do have a lot of lines with the code around 1000 or 500 or 5000 lines code will be there. So out of which if you want to change it as one line by line, one by one, word to word, it will take a time. So you can change using this replacement with the by using replacement you can able to change whatever you want. Okay, got it. And mm, next next method is next one is yeah, control shift alt down arrow. I want to replace here. Mhm. So multi-line I'm using multi-line only. len I'm mentioning this. Okay, okay, I'm mentioning this. len means length. length of the characters which is in the variable which is called multiline is a variable. In this whatever it is there, that it will calculate the length of the variable. Okay, length of the sentence. Okay, this is actually length is actually len is a function. Okay, so try to print this. Okay, what is this? 158 characters are there in this multi-line. Okay, so these till here, from here to here to here, 156 characters are there total in between this. Okay, again I'll try to use um, mm, 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 again I'll try to do one thing. Multi-line is there, right? I will do some change in this. Okay. Um, okay, here I'll use here in between this I'll mention some space here, this much one, and okay, that's it. Save this. So I need to find it, right? I need to find, see this output. Earlier it was 150. How much? 150 something, 156 or something. Yeah, 158. This one earlier count. After that, it was changed it as a triple two. You got it? So now what I will do is I'm finding the examples. Okay, so okay, multi multi-line plus and equal to in between this I'll mention some space, enter. Next multi-line, you try to understand this. This actually multi-line is a variable. Okay, this is already existed, but we are actually adding something to that line. Okay, and again here equal to, mention here something, some space. Okay, okay, plus plus again you try to mention plus here, and here you mention again variable. So this is basic, try to understand. Okay, multi line, multi-line, that's fine. Okay, so now try to print multi-line, enter. Save this and try to run this. See this? With this triple two, this space added, and also this space added with the multi-line. Got it? So using with the variable, you can also add like this. Already some multi-line is there. Okay. For that you are adding extra some space. Okay. And also you are adding some space. Already variable is there. For that variable you are adding some space with some characters. So these are all different kind of methods. Okay. This space is actually undesirable. You can't understand how much this line is there. But just for example I have taken. Okay, so now what I will do is, this space is there, right? Okay, so remove white space. How to remove white space? Okay, how to remove that white space? Print length. Okay, so multi line dot R means remove, strip that area, strip. This is function, right? And enter. Save this now and try to run this. You see, okay. So just nothing. Just for space, just nothing. We remove unneeded extra spaces removed. 30. How many? How much? 34. So now the let me try to remove this and try to run this. See this? 34 characters are there here in this. Okay. Okay. Fine. Next topic is string methods. Few more. Sorry. Few more string methods. Okay. In this, you can take a topic like build a menu. This is one example, guys. I'm trying to take it as example. Okay. I'm keeping here title. You know title, right? In JavaScript, HTML, you will mention titles. Okay. Menu dot upper upper. Okay. And function. Sorry, I mentioned here string. That's why it is not taking. Yeah. Okay. So that menu must be because it is showing the wrong line. It is indicating which means it is you are telling it is telling that you are doing mistake. Okay, menu. There is some issue. Okay, now it is see here. It is also showing lines here, underlines because you are doing mistake. Means there is no indentation. Something if you are trying fresh means so you must start with the first line. Okay, this is correct now. Okay, menu is actually a string. I'm converting it as a uppercase. Okay, because it is a title. So if you print it something title, it will be in upper case. Okay, so again print title. What is the title? Title is actually variable. Okay, dot. Again, this is a method center. Okay, function. You can say it's a function. Okay, center 20 comma 20 20 lines or 20 spaces. You can say, and you must mention with this. I can keep like this. Okay, that's fine. Nothing, anything is fine. I'm just going to close this. Everything is fine. Okay, now again, mm, what to do. This is fine. Okay. So it will be printed. Here, title is menu. It will convert it as upper, and I'm giving 20 lines. Maybe it will count from left to bottom 20. So left to right 20, and it will add with this whatever the characters I mentioned. Mm, okay, I'll also mention here print just one space. That's it. That's for normal. Control L, print here. Okay, some mistake you found, right? Print title dot center 20 comma. It is actually mistaken. The fill character must be exactly one character long. Okay, it is clearly stating that, showing some mistake here. It was found some mistake. Okay. title dot center. 87th line in module print to title center something type error. Okay, type error. This is type error. Okay, TATLE title. See what is the issue? Okay, let me try to copy this error. You have to do this whenever you are getting issue. You know, try to take this copied already. Go to ChatGPT and paste here. What kind of error it is? You will get to know. So first, before going to the solution, you should understand what kind of error it is. So underlining the error. Okay, print to title dot center something. This issue with the fill character so and so. This one, which consists of more than one character. Okay, center. Got it. Got it. It should be more than one character. It is actually more than one character. Let's try to change this first. I will remove this. I'll keep like this. Let me try to run this. You got it this? Okay. It is not allowing that more than one character. Again, I'll keep here. Save this and try to run this. Oh, sorry. See again, you got mistake, which means you should not keep more than one character. You understood? Now, if you try to run this, you got this right? That's good. That's good. Whatever mistake you are doing, then it would be really helpful for your best output. Okay. You will get best outputs. So mistake is always good for learning. Okay, again I'll try to print and try to mention here something. I'll mention here you like coffee. Coffee. Sorry. Coffee. I will mention here pipeline. Just here I'll mention 16 characters, comma. You mentioned the space one sorry dot plus and plus. Okay, you mentioning here a string dollar $1 rupees symbol is not available here. That's why I'm mentioning here dollar one. Okay, so okay dot or just 4 close. Okay, this just is not taking. I'm not sure why. Let me cross check. Maybe space or not allowed. Why? Just why it is not taking. Okay, just I'll keep in this. Okay. Okay, let me try to check this. What output is getting. So again, it is a problem. Okay, let's try to remove this. Okay, and try to run this. Again, it is a problem. Need to close this. and try to run this. Okay, extra. So try to understand this again. Print coffee. Okay, so you closed with it. And again, okay, I think I have to use here data. No. So let me try to take this error, syntax error. I think some mistake happened. Let me try to copy this. Okay, and try to go to ChatGPT and ask where you did mistake. Okay, understanding the syntax error. What is this? Mm, first, what are the mistakes you have done? So it will show. See here, just 16 is incorrect syntax. You likely mean one just this one you need to mention. Means I used pipe symbol. Maybe that was wrong. Okay, that's fine. You understood, right? So this maybe one not. Yeah, one just. Yeah, you can keep like this. And say try to save this enter. Again you did mistake. Okay, no problem. Print coffee. Mm, one just 16 dot plus $1 is to 4. That's fine. Again this you got mistake in the sense again you need to ask what you did mistake. Unmatched. Okay, paste here, enter. Your code has multiple syntax errors. Okay, let's analyze and correct them. Okay, so incorrect one just to 16 dot is invalid syntax. You must use dot. Okay, likely you need to. This is actually correct. Okay, this issue your code. Okay, so you likely mean dot one just 16 comma so and so which correctly left a line coffee. Okay, which means left side 16 characters it will keep and after that it will show, sorry, 16 from left it will mention 16 dots as filler. Okay, as a filler. Okay, unmatched to closing parenthesis. Okay, this will be corrected. Copy, and I would like to mention here under this only because we need to find out where we have done mistakes. Print. Okay, coffee is fine. We forgot here to mention a dot. Sorry, again here is one dot. Okay, just is fine. And here I gave a 16 characters, 16 dots. I'm mentioning here 16 dots plus dollar. After that, after 16 dots we should mention, we should get $1. That would be, and r remove just. Okay, try to run this again. The what the error is, sorry, this I need to remove and try to run this. Okay, coffee $1. Okay, so this kind of output will get, right? Yeah, fine. And shift to alt down arrow. Okay, now what I will do is print um what are the coffee, next muffin will be there, right? Muffin 16 characters. This dollar is I need to replace with the $2. Okay, that's fine. Again shift alt down arrow. I need to replace with the $3. Again shift alt down arrow with $4. Okay, that's fine. So I just mentioned like this. Okay, the output would be, see this, enter. Coffee, $1. Muffin, two. Sorry, I just need to replace it. In place of this coffee, tea will be there, right? Tea or anything else would be cheesecake. Okay, so enter. So it changed, right? Values has been changed. Okay. So, but you understand, you try to understand here, even if it is the value, whatever the value is there, if it is longer, it is not extending more than this. Okay, it is not going out, so output values. These are all proper aligned. Okay, you understood? Just because of this removing. Okay, you are removing the values here. Again, I'll try to take this shift to alt down arrow. I'll mention here some more extra lines like this. Save and enter. See this? It has been crossed. There is no alignment here. Why? Because you mentioned just 4 only. Before the output, you just need to remove only 4 till 4. But what happened? It is exceeded. For example, I will mention cake cost. I'll mention like this. Enter. See here, only till here only the space is occupying and it is keeping it as a line. It is not extending. But till if it is reached till here, how many? 16 only. 16 characters. I just want to mention here 40 characters for suppose. 40. Enter. I want to mention here something like this and enter. Sorry. See here, 16 lines will be there. Till 16 line it will accept and it will adjust whatever the lines are there, dots are there. These dots will be adjusted. Okay, along with it. So, for example, if you see this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dots are there for coffee. Okay, and this is also same. And here for T is actually three letters, and with the three letters it has been taken till here with alignment, proper alignment. And here extra lines are there, extra words are, sorry, extra letters are there, and remaining it has adjusted, which that is for adjustment. Okay, remove just a space. Okay, the space, what are the spaces there? One, this one you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is adjusting it is itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one sec. You see here, see here, formatted string where cheesecake cost something and dollar. This is actually fine. Breakdown, it is breakdown. So see here, it is cheesecake cost is this much. So it is mentioned like this function, and the string cheesecake cost. I think this is also wrong. Okay, fine. Whatever that is, cost spelling cost, right? It's okay, fine. Okay, should be occupied 16 characters only. This should be occupied with 16 characters only. It should not exceed more than 16 characters. Okay. If it is less than 16, it fills the extra space with whatever it is there. Okay. And after that, $4 or just 4, which means the string $4 should be right aligned within 4 characters only. Okay. For example, I will give here output, enter. See this much space, which means force the space related. The space in between these two dots and this value, this much. For example, if I keep, you are keeping all are aligned, all are four only. That's why it is getting properly. I want to keep, it will move right side. Save this and enter. You see this? It moved right side. That is all about this one. Okay, fine. Sorry for save this, run this. You got this right properly. Okay. If it is less than 4, it adds leading space. Okay. And it is the dots are adjusting here in between these characters. That's all about it. Right? That's it. Okay. Let's keep this breakdown. I just want to mention here. Right. Next one. All right. Next topic is string index values. String index values. What are string index values? Okay. What is index? What is index? I will try to explain you well. For suppose, yeah. For example, I'm taking one example. Okay. Yeah. So here I'm taking here some values. 10, 20, 40, 80, 2. Okay. This is actually first 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you, what is the first index value? Index value 1, index value 2, index value 3, index value 4. 10 is first index value, 20 is second index value, 30, this is actually 0 index value, first indexer, second indexer, and 2 in the sense 40, 80, and this is 0, 2. Okay, so this is a 0th index value. This is first index value. This is second index value. And this is third index value. And this is fourth index value. This is, it will count since from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. This is called as index. Okay. This is how we will calculate the index values. Okay, that's fine. I just want to take some examples. I want to print it. Print, sorry, print index. Okay, first index must be in this kind of brackets. One. I'm just here. You try to understand, guys. What is this first? What is the value in this first? What is that? First is means Lokesh. Correct. It will calculate these only. Example, I will explain you again. Here, Lokesh is there, right? Okay, fine. Here, I will explain here clearly. Lokesh. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Index value of 1. What is that? First means this one. Whatever it is there, you have to specify this first variable of index means it will calculate these characters. First value of index means you will get O. Okay. First 0 you will get L. Okay. First you will get fifth index value equal to H. It should be like this. I will show you what is that. 0105 you will get OLH 105. Let's see. I'll also show the output later. So now, yeah, come to this topic. One, print first index value square bracket you must mention 0 and shift to alt to down arrow, and here I just want to mention fifth. Okay, save here. Okay, let's try to run this. You see this OLH, is it correct? Am I explained properly? OLH, is it correct? O is first index, L means this is 0 index value, and H means fifth index value, as it is here. This one, and this one. You understood? Okay, fine. Next, we'll try to take other one. No, Shift Alt, down arrow. So I want to see the negative values. Okay, what is -1? If I want to mention if -1, what the value will get? Hmm? Print here. This is this is not last index value. This is, it will calculate from right to left. Okay, print, for example, I'll try to take shift down arrow -2. What you will get? The output is S, I think. Yeah, right. So it is calculating from right to left. Okay, and for example, if I want to mention down arrow like this, if I want to mention from the range in between, what is the range? For example, I want to mention 1 to no 0 to 0 to 5, total 5, right? So I just want to mention 5. You see the output, you will surprise. See this LOKES. If I want to calculate till 6, you see LOKESH. Correct. So I want to see first and last. Print first FIRST, first variable till from 0 to last -1. So output will be, see this, L means 0. Okay, -1 means left to right, right? -1. I will again show you. So you know x-axis and y-axis, correct? So let me try to explain. Okay, see, this is actually first index value. Again, this is 0, this is -1, -2, -3, right? And -4 and -5. See here, if you see 0, 0 means what? L. Okay, LOKE. Okay, S till here. Again, you mentioned -1. Okay, what is -1? Yes, which means you are mentioning here 0 to -1 means it will stop at -1, which means yes. It started 0, and what is the -1 value is S. Okay, 0 in the sense LOKE. Yes, that's why it is stopped as from here to here. You understood? Okay, for example, I hope you understood. Next one is the index value. Yeah, shift alt down arrow, and here I want to mention here only one. Here one, and the column after that just keep like this only. Just keep empty. Save this and enter. OKESH. What is the value of 1? O. L means 0, right? L means 0 index. O means 1 index. That's why it is started with 1. And it is start till it has gone to 0. Nothing is there in the sense 0, right? Okay, yes, it's got. That's fine. Alright. This is all about index values. We can mention index values like this. Okay. So I try to ask one question to this ChatGPT where we have to use these index values in Python. Purpose I explained, right? That's it. So real world examples. Real world examples. So use index values to specify the access to use index values to access specific elements in list and tuples and strings. Okay, to mention particular values to specified. Okay, in this Python, for example, list is there. In this apple, banana, cherry, this is all called as one bundle, which is list. So you are mentioning here 1, 0, 1, 2. Instead of writing apple, instead of writing banana, instead of cherry, you mention just you need to mention 0, 1, 2, which means it is always take, it will also consider from here these values. This is the purpose. Alright, for strings also, right? So this will be useful, very much useful, like this. Got it? See like this. Some products are there in the market. You are trying to do some projects using some e-commerce related project. You are mentioning some products like this: laptops, smartphones, headphones, and smartwatch. All these things. So selected products, you are particularly mentioning some products values instead of keeping a entire words. Okay, entire strings. Okay, you are simply mentioning index values. Print F selected product. Okay, what is a selected product? You this. But in the product, something you mentioned like one, like this. Simple. This kind of. Okay, got it? Fine. Next. Yeah, this is fine. I think we have. Yep, that's fine. I think so. So let's see Boolean data types next time. So this we have to stop this class till here. So next we will continue in the next class related to booleans. And I just mentioned, right, what we just have discussed only about. So this strings and okay, so we'll see about integer, float, boolean, and tuple, list, set, and dictionary, all these things. Okay, so let's close this because I have gone through too much depth. That's the reason it took this much time. So that's the reason. Next class we will talk about booleans, okay, and also integer values. And okay, for build functions, what are the build functions and type of data types and all we'll see. Okay, float data type, boolean data type, okay, integer data type, okay, and built-in functions for numbers, all these things we'll see. Okay, so let's close this class for now. So kindly share and subscribe my channel. Until then, take care, bye bye. Thank you for supporting. I'll see you in next class.